Alright fam, so I'm gonna organize my route with the scanning method, you know. Let's get it. Twelve, that's gonna be in the back seat, fam. $25, that's the trunk. $25, that's gonna be in the trunk. Total of 27 deliveries. Seventeen in the trunk. $20 in the trunk. Some kayaking equipment. Yeah, the kayaking is blocking the view. Put it here now. Alright fam, just finished loading. Got the first third, first 7 deliveries, front seat. The second third, back seat. Last third in the trunk, fam. Let's go deliver some smiles. Let's get it. Alright fam, after like 5 hours we finally got to the first destination. Alright, first package should be in my front seat. I got this route pretty organized. It's very stressful to drive in the snow, fam. Somewhere in the front seat. Not doing head strap today. I have to blow out too many addresses. So. First one, boom. Make sure you got the right one. All right, let's go drop out this bad boy. Continue with the journey, fam. Oh man, gotta be super careful. It's snowing today, fam. Boom. Swipe to finish. All right. It's not quite icy. but we'll be all right. Just on the way to get here was very stressful, man. There was accidents everywhere. There you go. Some of the roads are icy. We'll be alright. We might be late for this route. Yeah, it took forever to get here. Alright, on to second stop, fam. Let's get it. Alright, second stop, and we'll record like at the end, I guess. Let you guys enjoy some ASMR. Got my boots on today. Swipe to finish. On to the next one. See, I'm telling you, the sun is out, man. Snowing and the sun is out. Alright, see you guys back in a couple hours, huh? Battery testing. All right, got full battery. All right, on to the next one, fam. It's snowing and I got my shades on. Only in Colorado, man. 300 days of sunshine, even with the snow. Let's get it, fam. Got my shades on, got my boots on. I don't like to wear gloves. So you know, sometimes your phone doesn't work if you wear gloves, or can't light up a cigarette. Whatever. I don't wear it unless it's like freezing, you know, like -5 or something. I like to wear boots, so I hate it when the snow gets into your shoes. Yeah. That's not gonna be good. Alright, let's leave it there. Step back. Boom. Boom shakalaka.
Navigation started.
Some ASMR for y'all. Please smash the like, subscribe, ring the bell, fam. See, these parts are icy, right? So on the inner streets with a lot of trees, yeah, it's really icy. Watch out for those. All right, on to the next, fam. Sun is in my eyes. Let me make this turn. I'll show you guys the sun.
In a quarter-mile, turn right onto West Cedar Avenue.
Strange weather. Wow. We can, yeah, we need some sun right now. We need some snow melts too, man. This is like a sheet of ice right here. So my advice is just take it slow, man. Take it slow. You don't want to risk getting a wreck.
Turn right onto West Cedar Avenue.
All right, fam. So it's 11:15 a.m. So this route takes me an additional 30 minutes due to the snow and traffic and all that. So I already sent an email to Amazon Flex support, see if they can credit me another 30 minutes, you know. One of my subscribers told me, you know, if your block takes longer to complete, just email them, and sometime they will credit you some extra money. So that's all there is to Amazon Flex package. Sub same day, fam. The key is organizing your route and you know, just be efficient with your delivery. That's all there is to it. All right. Thank you everybody for watching. See you guys on the next one. Peace.